Good morning. Today's Monday Moment is brought to you by your traveling loan officer on a highway somewhere in North Carolina. Have you ever asked yourself how much money you need to buy a house? Every situation is different, but here are the basics. A first time buyer can do as little as 3% down with a conventional loan. You may even be eligible for reduced mortgage insurance if you're within the income limits. If you've owned a home before, a conventional loan can be done with 5% down. FHA loans only require 3.5% down payment. Both VA and USDA loans have no down payment. That's right, it's 100% loans. Every home purchase does come with closing costs, though. A rule of thumb is it's 4 to 6% of the purchase price. Why such a big range? Well, first time buyers may qualify for an exemption on the transfer taxes. Some towns give it and some don't. We'll look at every house that you want to write an offer on and let you know exactly what your closing costs will be. What about the 100% financing loans? Can closing costs be rolled into that? We're asked that question almost daily. The information you're going to find on the internet is definitely confusing. The only way to have really no closing costs out of pocket is if we can get the seller to pay them on your behalf. It's pretty difficult in the current market, but a great realtor may be able to negotiate that on your behalf. You will probably need to offer over the listing price, though. Even if a seller will pay your closing costs, you need to be prepared to have about $2,500 out of pocket before you have your keys in your hand. You're going to need to write an earnest money deposit check, which is normally $1,000 when you write the contract, so the seller will take the house off the market. You're also going to need to pay for any inspections at the time they are performed. Most people get a home inspection and a pest inspection. You may want a water test, a pool inspection, a radon inspection, anything like that. Once you're under contract, we're going to order the appraisal. And we are going to need a debit or credit card in order to do that. So call us today so we can go over your options and answer any questions you have. Don't forget, the only stupid questions are ones that aren't asked. Have a great weekend, everybody.